Hi and welcome to Trucking Tips with Dave, and in this episode we're going to be talking with TRT's Matt Counihan about their traction air product, central tire inflation. And welcome Matt, and can you explain to our viewers what you do at TRT and the traction air system and exactly what it does?
Hi there Dave, so I'm TRT's traction air product specialist. Excellent question regarding what CTI is. CTI stands for central tire inflation, and the system manages the tire pressure to load and road surfaces all from the comfort of the driver's seat.
Right, yeah, it exactly does. And I remember I was driving logging trucks full time when the product first appeared, burst onto the scene, and it certainly revolutionised log trucking in New Zealand in particular, and completely changed the configurations we could use to get into the bush. So it's it's a fantastic system and a fantastic concept. So aside from logging, obviously, like where else are the applications that CTI and the traction air product in particular can be targeted at?
Yeah, so obviously loggers are a big part of the business, but we also do off-road fertiliser spreaders. On and off highway vehicle operations use traction air that includes but isn't limited to the log transport industry, construction equipment, agricultural tractors, stock trucks, fuel distribution, bulk tipping applications, and much more. Tyre pressure management has never been easier now.
Yeah, that's right. It has never been easier. That's true. Nothing truer spoken there, Matt. So what benefits will a customer experience? So you're going to outlay this investment. You're going to fit this product to your vehicle. As a customer, what can I expect to get in terms of benefits?
So traction air has many enhanced benefits, which include improved traction for difficult terrains, user-friendly and simplicity, unrivaled safety and accuracy through the use of dual pressure transducers on every channel, reduced tyre wear, greater fuel efficiency, enhanced air leak and puncture detection with improved driver alerts. It reduces tyre impact damage on sensitive terrain. The system can easily be configured for your specific operating conditions and vehicle requirements, and improved vehicle and driver safety.
Right, so there's some reasonably compelling points there that would lead you to take a really strong consideration of the product. The next question: why is it so important to New Zealand drivers? And I'm prone to want to leap in and answer this one myself based on the situation at the moment with the many parts of the roading network, but you can lead away on that one.
So being at the bottom of the world with difficult terrain and high dependency on our natural resources for export, New Zealand has a higher than normal demand to operate in remote off-road conditions. There are many remote locations and difficult terrain to navigate. TRT's traction air system greatly improves a vehicle's ability to reduce wheel spin and improve traction on marginal or slippery surfaces. Maintaining the correct pressure for load and terrain dramatically enhances the performance of the vehicle. It provides additional safety and peace of mind for the fleet owner that they have the correct pressures in their tyres for the job at hand.
Absolutely, yep, and I agree 100% of that from, like I said, at the beginning of Trucking Tips, the first-hand experience on what it gave us when it arrived. But at the end of the day, it's another thing that you put on the truck. It's another device. And I remember back in the day, we all looked at it and thought it's going to be great, but there's bits and pieces, and it is a thing you put on the truck. So there must be care and maintenance requirements. There must be something when anything you put on the truck has to be looked after. So just give us a bit of a brief on care and maintenance side of traction air CTI.
So the maintenance requirements for our system are fairly minimal, really. We recommend that the filter element be checked 3 or 4 times a year and replaced as necessary. Secondly, we advise routine checks are carried out on rotator and wheel gear assemblies. Unfortunately, from time to time, the rotators can develop excessive play when left untouched and could potentially increase the chance of failure. For this reason, we run a service exchange program to allow prompt and accurate supply of replacement components to our customers if required.
Right, and yeah, that peace of mind is always a good thing when you're operating when you're operating trucks. Okay, so here's your moment. Here's your moment to take the stage and tell us why should people buy this product from TRT.
So as we talked about earlier, originally Traction Air was designed for the off-highway logging sector. TRT have now been producing CTI systems for over 24 years, with over 24 years of innovation backed by a 3-year, 500,000 kilometre warranty. We know Traction Air is a smart, reliable and accurate industry-leading product. From bulk spreaders in Matamata to log transport operations in Sweden, the benefits of Traction Air are well proven and ensure the rubber hits the road in extreme situations. We have developed cutting-edge technology and stand behind our product. Our ability to make things possible has enabled continuous ongoing development to ensure our customers receive latest pneumatic and electronic technological advancements on offer. For example, our onboard GPS monitoring and speed up options dramatically reduce the opportunity for human error. We haven't removed the driver from the equation, but we are almost there with regards to full automation. The TRT philosophy is that we can make anything possible. Our team is always happy to answer any questions about Traction Air, so get in touch and send us through your contact details if you would like to find out more. We provide on-site technical and driver training at time of installation, as well as ongoing support for drivers and workshop technicians.
Excellent. Yeah, well, that's a reasonably good summary, and the whole thing's quite a compelling argument if you're not in the Traction Air CTI club. So don't hesitate to get in contact with us. You said. So how do we do that? Give us your numbers. Give us your I'm all fired up, and I'm going to ring you straight after this mini podcast. So how do we do that?
So for more information, visit our website at trt.co.nz or give myself, Matt, or the team a call New Zealand wide on 07 849 4839.
Excellent. Well, there you go. It's there for the taking, and a product that proved itself beyond all reasonable doubt in a very short time all those years ago. Matt, thanks so much for taking the time to come on Trucking Tips with Dave and just maybe fill in a few gaps in knowledge that people may not have had. And all the best, and hope it all goes well for you in the future.
Thanks very much for that, Dave. Appreciate your time.
Okay, take care. Bye.